Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. Today's stock market is feeling pretty good. After last red week, I can't say that we experienced impressive growth, but at least we are not searching for another dip. SPCE stock was pumped by Russians on pre-market to $31, then it was lowered to $29.6, and now it's about $30.3. I like this price in current circumstances because watching SPCE stock near $28 is not so pleasant. Anyway, if we analyze the chart, we can say that we're experiencing so-called roller coaster movements over the last 12 days. All these ups and downs, the lowest point was about $28, while the highest one was $33.5. When will it stop? The trend is neither bullish or bearish, we are just floating, and it will last till the 5th of August because Virgin Galactic will present its earnings report this date. On that day, SPCE is projected to report earnings of $0.30 loss per share, which would represent no growth from the prior year quarter. But alongside with earnings, we about to hear some further plans of the company, maybe some adjustments and positive projections, because we heard about more flights, more jets, and we need numbers, we need precise numbers. This July was controversial enough. We had two impressive test flights from two different space companies, but we also witnessed market crash that was caused by various reasons. Inflation has been picking up in a big way and could tighten consumer wallets. There is also a growing likelihood that the Federal Reserve could take its foot off the proverbial gas pedal with regard to monetary policy and quantitative easing. And don't forget about the coronavirus Delta variant, which threatens to slow down reopening efforts in various parts of the US and of course around the world. Talking about SPCE in particular, I can say that company's actions after test flight weren't wise enough because they announced capital raising right after a successful event. They didn't say anything certain about enhancing their operations. You know, it's not enough to say we will build more jets and have more flights. Investors need dates, deadlines, and expenses. We need more numbers that we are probably going to see and hear on the 5th of August during earnings report. And also that secret announcement of Branson ended up to be some kind of lottery to win tickets to space. Boring. It's boring. That's why we saw such a dramatic decline of SPCE stock. Market is crashing in general, and investors don't like this uncertainty around Virgin Galactic, which is of course temporary. Likely, Blue Origin's flight had no significant negative impact on Richard Branson's company. Actually, probably quite the opposite, because that flight reminded investors one more time that new era of space tourism is approaching, and space stock is the only one on the stock market that gives us the opportunity to invest in space. This whole summer is devoted to space. No one can deny this fact. June was filled with FAA approvals, rumors about who was going to space, who was going to be the first in space, and of course huge expectations. In July we saw two space flights from two rivals, Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, and in August we about to see two more test flights of Richard Branson's company, and some definite projections in earnings report. Space tourism, captivating, promising, and extremely profitable, a new era of humanity. How to become a part of this global project, how to buy a piece of this cash cow. There is only one stock on the stock market aimed to give you all blessings of space in the future: SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic company. Also, we expect celebrities and famous people to buy their tickets to Virgin Galactic flight. As we remember, Ashton Kutcher was about to go, Leonardo DiCaprio is among future passengers of Virgin Galactic, and probably we will hear about the others in the nearest future. Why do they choose Virgin Galactic but not Blue Origin? It's all about hype and how your product is presented to people. Virgin Galactic's test flight was like a performance, it was surrounded by hype, it was highlighted in mass media, and we could saw positive emotions, rapture of passengers in space, and people talking about it all the time. And Blue Origin's flight was like, okay, not bad, good job guys. Hype is everything. Branson knows how to promote his company. Of course, it's not going to boost SPCE stock right now only because we had such impressive test flights, but it helps to make Virgin Galactic well known among humanity, among people, and we SPCE holders will only benefit from this situation. I'm waiting for your stock market predictions in the comments. I'm waiting for your SPCE predictions. I'm waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.